How to redeem your gift card on Roblox application Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you on how you can redeem your Robux gift card in your Roblox account, especially if you are using an Android device. So in order to do this, you will not be able to do the same using your Roblox application. So what you can do is simply go to any web browser like Chrome or any other web browser like Brave as well. And once you are inside your web browser, you need to simply type in the following address, that is roblox.com, and then give a slash and type in redeem. Then you will need to click onto the search bar, and from here you can see this particular interface. So simply click on gift cards, and once you are here you will see this option of redeem card. So simply click onto this redeem card option, and then you will need to log in with your credentials of your Roblox account, and then you will be able to type in the code and verify the particular transaction, and your Robux will be credited into your Roblox account. So that's how easily you can do this. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.